Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 7 DirectX error. DirectX encountered an unrecoverable error, error code 0x887A0005. So if you are getting this error, then here follow the steps. Go to Windows Settings, go to System, go to Display. Now click on HDR and turn off the HDR option. Then launch the Call of Duty game. Go to Settings, go to Graphics Settings. Now under Display, if the display mode is full screen borderless, then change it to windowed mode. Now if you have the game on Battle.net, then open Battle.net launcher, go to Call of Duty, then click on the settings icon and then click on Show in Explorer. It will open the game installation folder. So here right click on Call of Duty Launcher exe file and select Properties. Then go to Compatibility tab and check mark Run this program as an administrator. Hit Apply, OK, and then you can launch the game and check. This has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will fix the issue for you as well. Now if you have the game on Steam, then open Steam, go to Library, right click on Call of Duty, select Manage and then click on Browse Local Files. It will open the game installation folder. Now open COD25 folder. Now right click on this COD25 COD exe file and then go to Properties. Now go to the Compatibility tab and tick mark Run this program as an administrator. Hit Apply, OK, and then you can launch the game and check. So this will solve the error. So I hope by following these steps you were able to easily fix Call of Duty Black Ops 7 DirectX error. DirectX encountered an unrecoverable error, error code 0x887A0005 error. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.